Hello and welcome to INSYNC Commerce demo. In this demo, we will talk around B2B customer management in INSYNC Commerce. INSYNC Commerce is an end-to-end integrated B2B commerce platform which is specifically designed to streamline the business process of distribution, wholesaling, and manufacturing D2C. The platform offers inbuilt integration with ERP, POS, CRM systems, and other business applications, and it provides a seamless digital adoption for the B2B merchants. So, B2B customer management is being offered in multiple ways, and customer registration can also be offered in multiple ways. So the wholesalers, distributors, and even visitors or B2C consumers can log into the same portal and can have different kind of digital experience through InSync Commerce. In this demo video, we will showcase typical wholesaler or distribution customer management, and we will focus our attention around this area. So the customer registration can happen in multiple ways in InSync Commerce. So if the merchant, as per the merchant's requirement, if they want, then a registration page can be present in the front end of InSync Commerce portal where B2B customers can register, they can provide the necessary documents, and when being approved by the admin, then only they will get their access to the portal through which they can access the product catalog, can place the order, can see the customer specific pricing and other customizations or personalizations which is specifically designed for them. On the other hand, if InSync Commerce is being integrated with any back office application such as an ERP system like SAP, Microsoft or Sage or any other ERP system, then the B2B customer accounts and the contact person details will sync from the ERP to the InSync Commerce admin, and the customers or the contact persons, they will receive the email ID for activation of their account, and they can activate their account and can log into the portal and see the personalized experience which is specifically assigned for that particular B2B organization. So in this demo video, we will use the InSync Commerce admin panel to create new company account, B2B customer company account. We will add contact persons against that company account. We will also explain the different kind of user roles which is being assigned to these contact persons, the admin and standard user roles, and we will show you the login differences. So when a standard contact person logs in and when an admin contact person logs in, what is the minute difference in their login process as per their assigned operations. So let's begin the demonstration process. So for this, we will move to InSync Commerce. So this is the InSync Commerce admin panel. Let's start adding a new B2B customer. So we need to go to the customer section, all customers. So here you can add a new customer and it will be a B2B customer which you can assign. InSync Commerce supports multiple websites, so you can select which website you wish to add this B2B company, and we also support customers group specific pricing and other things, so customer can be assigned to different kind of groups. So let's start this process. We'll start with the customer type. So it's a B2B customer. The status is active. There are different kind of things like credit limit, available balance and other details which we can cover in remaining videos. So the company name, so we have a test company. So let's say the company name is Camrico Limited. So let's start with this test company here. I will enter the company name in first name and last name section, and I need to add an email ID for this company. So I will use the email ID of create a random email ID here, demo company, demo Camrico @yopmail.com. So this is the demo email ID which I will use as the base email ID for this B2B organization. I can assign this company to a price list if needed. We will explain price list in another video. What are its features, how it's work. So here, let's say we are selecting a price list for this organization. So this Camrico Limited is a gold level distributor for my business, I can add many other things, but I will just stick to the basic things for creating this customer. I can add a tax or VAT number. I can select from which store view the email, welcome email will be sent to this B2B customer. So I'm skipping this. I'm just saving this B2B customer in INSYNC Commerce. So here, as you can see, it is showing me a notification that no credit limit is being applied. So credit limit is basically a payment method using which the customer, Camrico Limited's contact person can place an order, and this credit limit is typically assigned to the B2B customer. So let us assign a credit limit here so that it can be used in further processes. So let's say $50,000 is the assigned credit limit for this customer. So now once this is done, the B2B customer has been created. Let's now move to creating the contact persons. So I will also show you the different roles to the contact person. So there is a tab, as you can see, add contact persons. I will simply go to that tab and I will start adding the contact person for this. So the contact person will be added against the company Camrico Limited, and I have some test data which I have prepared previously. So Steve Reed will be an admin contact person for this organization. By admin means as per their business operation. For an example, finance manager or a purchase manager who has some authority in that organization in this B2B customer. So this is a administrator contact person. I will quickly add the first name, last name. I will add the email ID for Steve Reed, and I can add a few other details, personal details, and I can save this contact person. Let's add another contact person who will be a standard contact person. For an example, a purchase employee of this B2B organization, Camrico Limited. So I will select the role standard. I will just quickly go in the test data, which I have prepared already, and I will quickly put down these contact person information. I'll just copy the email. So two contact persons within this organization has been created. One contact person will be a standard contact person who is Susan. Another contact person is an admin level contact person for this organization who is Steve. There can be multiple other contact persons in that organization. Multiple other purchase employees or purchase departments personnel can have access to the portal through which they can browse through the product catalog and they can place the order. They can do the negotiation through quotation processes. Now let's add the address. So this is the company's default billing and default shipping addresses. There can be multiple addresses against this organization. When the contact person logs in and placing the order or quotation, they need to select the predefined billing shipping addresses which is assigned against this organization. So let's add this address here. I already have the address which I have prepared from my test data. So this is my default billing address. This is my default shipping address. There can be multiple other addresses as well. But for this demonstration purpose, let's say this is my default billing and shipping address. So I'm quickly going to city, country, selecting the state and entering the zip code. I'm entering a phone number. I'm saving this address. So in this way, I have created one B2B customer, two contact persons under that B2B customer. One contact person is having a standard role, another contact person having an admin level contact. Now let's check the emails and activate our account. So first is I'm checking the email ID of Steve. I'm seeing that Steve received a link of welcome email and requesting him to log in to the portal. So I'll just go into this and I will activate Steve's login, who is the admin level contact person for this company. And similarly, I will go into Susan's email inbox now and I will activate Susan's account, who is a standard contact person, standard role contact person for this organization, probably a purchase employee. So let's activate her profile. So both profile activated. Now I can log in. I will also check the company's inbox. So here I can see the company welcome email has been sent to the organization's basic email ID, and that company has also received a login to access the portal. Going to the front end, if I log in as Steve with the password which I have just reset. So I've logged in as an admin contact person in the portal front end. So I can obviously check the collections, the product catalog. I can select, I can check, I can add this product to the cart. I can add this product to a quotation. I can do the negotiations. So all the standard operations are there. There are a few other things which is being assigned to the finance manager or purchase manager kind of role in the customer's organization for certain self-service features. So one thing is, in my order section, Steve will be able to see the orders which is placed by every contact person within that organization. While if Susan's login, Susan as a normal contact person will see only her orders, the orders which is placed by her. So that is the one difference. The admin level contact person can see all the orders. Similarly, the admin level contact person can see all the quotations which is being created within that organization by any purchase employee. Admin level contact person can manage the other contact person, so they can manage Susan, her access, whether it will be active or it will be inactive. So in this way, admin level contact person can make another a normal purchase employee inactive. Let's say once the purchase employee left the organization, so admin level contact person can manages that. So these are the basic differences of admin level contact person against a normal contact person. So if I now log in as Susan, who is a normal purchase employee of Camrico Limited, not an admin or not a finance manager who should have an authority to operate, check the operations in the portal. So there are some differences. So first difference is Susan, once she logs in, she can only see the orders and quotations which is placed by herself. She will not be able to see the other orders or quotations placed by Camrico Limited's other employees. So organizational level view is missing. Another thing is she will not be able to add, delete any other contact person in this portal itself. So this is the basic difference as we have seen, and we will explain more about the operations of these contact persons, how they will place the order, how they can add quotation, what are the specific discounts or pricing or personalizations which can be designed in the user experience segment in the next videos. Thank you for watching this video.